Hey everyone, it's NB, and welcome back to Nature's Blueprint. Now, I know what you might be thinking. December. Isn't that the time to hang up the trowel, sip some hot cocoa, and just dream about next year's garden? Well, what if I told you that December is actually one of the most strategic months for a gardener? It's the time to get ahead, to lay the foundation for your most productive season ever. While everyone else is waiting for the spring thaw, we can be actively setting ourselves up for success, ensuring our plants have a massive head start when the weather finally turns. This isn't about fighting the cold, it's about working with it. Planting now allows certain crops to establish their root systems slowly and steadily, without the stress of summer heat or the pressure of rapid growth. This cool, quiet period gives them a powerful advantage, resulting in stronger plants, sweeter flavors, and earlier harvests. It's like giving your garden a secret superpower that activates the moment spring arrives. You're not just planting seeds, you're investing in a future bumper harvest that will make your neighbors wonder what your secret is. So, if you're ready to transform your approach to winter gardening and unlock the hidden potential of this often overlooked month, you're in the right place. We're going to cover 20 incredible crops that not only survive but thrive when planted in December. Forget hibernation, it's time for action. So grab your notebook and let's dive straight into the crops that turn December from a sleepy gardening month into your biggest advantage of the year. First up, spinach. Planting now means the cold actually sweetens the leaves through a process called cold acclimation. This gives you tender, flavorful greens and a huge head start for massive spring yields. Mustard greens are fantastic for December. Their spicy aroma naturally deters pests, and planting now gives you an incredibly early harvest of peppery leaves just as spring kicks off. Winter-sown radishes are a game-changer. The cool soil helps them develop a perfectly crisp texture without becoming woody, and they face far fewer pest pressures during these colder months. For the sweetest carrots you've ever tasted, plant them in December. The cold soil triggers the roots to convert starches into sugars, resulting in incredibly flavorful and uniformly shaped carrots. Want tight, dense broccoli heads? Plant now. A slow, cool establishment period prevents premature bolting and encourages the plant to form those beautiful, compact heads we all want in our spring harvests. December is perfect for cabbage. The slow growth in cool weather leads to incredibly dense, sweet heads that resist splitting. Plus, these winter-grown cabbages tend to store much longer after harvest. If you missed the fall planting window, don't worry. December is still an ideal time to plant garlic. This gives the cloves the necessary cold stratification to form big, flavorful, and easy-to-peel bulbs. Sowing onions now, either from seed or sets, allows them to develop strong necks and robust root systems. This leads to larger, long-storing bulbs that are less prone to disease. Tired of your cilantro bolting in the heat? Plant it in December. The cool weather keeps it in a vegetative state longer, meaning you get way more leafy production before it flowers. Planting parsley now encourages it to focus on developing a deep, resilient root system over the winter. Come spring, it will explode with vigorous growth, giving you an earlier and longer harvest. As a cover crop, winter rye has unmatched cold tolerance. Planted in December to protect your soil from erosion, suppress weeds, and add valuable organic matter when you till it in spring. Get your field peas in the ground now. They'll germinate and grow slowly, fixing nitrogen in your soil all winter. Come spring, they provide an excellent living mulch for other crops. For a perennial powerhouse, plant asparagus crowns in December. This dormant planting period allows them to establish deep roots, leading to thicker, more productive spears for years and years to come. Give rhubarb a head start by planting the crowns now. The cold, dormant period promotes incredible root establishment, resulting in giant, vigorous leaves and thick stalks first thing in the spring. A winter chill is the secret to the best-tasting turnips. Planting in December allows the roots to mature in the cold, developing a deeper, sweeter flavor without any of the harshness. Beets really thrive with a December sowing. The consistent cool temperatures help promote even, round root growth and prevent zoning. You actually get a dual harvest, with sweet roots and tender, delicious greens. Planting Swiss chard now results in stronger, thicker stems and larger leaves earlier in the season. The plant becomes incredibly robust, and it's honestly one of the very first things you can harvest in spring. For the crispest, most refreshing lettuce, sow cold hardy varieties in December. The cool growing conditions really enhance its texture and honestly, extend your harvest window long before the summer heat arrives to cause bolting. Arugula develops its best, most nuanced peppery flavor when grown in the cold. A December planting ensures you get that perfect taste without the bitterness that comes from growing it in warmer weather. These peas are bred for cold. Planting them in December showcases their incredible frost tolerance. They'll establish roots and then, wow, just explode with growth at the first sign of spring for a super early harvest. And there you have it, 20 powerful crops that you can plant right now to get a massive jump on the spring season. We've turned December from a month of waiting into a month of strategic action. This isn't just about getting an early harvest, it's about building a more resilient, productive, and flavorful garden from the ground up. By working with the seasons instead of against them, you're setting the stage for your best year of gardening yet. Think of every seed you plant now as a promise of the abundance to come. Remember, this December planting window is a gardener's secret weapon. It's the quiet advantage that pays off in big ways, with stronger plants and more delicious food on your table. So, don't let your garden beds sit empty this winter. Choose a few crops from this list. Get out there and get planting. You will be so thankful you did when you're harvesting fresh vegetables, while others are just starting to sow their first seeds. The effort you put in now is a direct investment in a powerful, productive spring. If you found this guide helpful and you're ready to make this your best gardening year ever, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for more guides from Nature's Blueprint. Share this video with a fellow gardener who needs to know the secret of winter planting. Let's build a community of gardeners who know how to make every single month count. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep on growing.